Welcome fellow airsofters, come on in. I'm Matt from Black Wolf Recon, BW01. This is Operation Churro. This is our first Black Wolf Recon cook along. Not sure about you guys, but after a long day at the skirmish field, or a really good busy weekender, I like nothing more than some greasy, delicious, crunchy churros to get my lunch on. So, I'll get started. What you're going to need: 3 inches or so of oil, vegetable sunflower. For frying, some Nutella. You're going to need 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of water, and 1.5 tablespoons of sugar. Let's get our pan going. To this, we're going to chuck in the water, sugar, oil, and a pinch of salt. Lovely. Okay, we're going to heat this up until it starts to bubble. As soon as it starts to bubble, we're going to dump the flour in and we're going to beat it to form the churro batter. You see there, it's starting to bubble, but it's not a rolling boil just yet. But any second now. Here we go. We've got the bubble. Take it off the heat, and very quickly stir in your flour. It will look a bit like some strange porridge. Keep stirring it around, get all the flour incorporated in. There we go. Sticks together into a ball. Doesn't look like a clip, I know, but we'll see. Okay, leave that to cool for 5 minutes.
A few moments later.
Okay, so the dough has cooled down a little bit. What we're going to do is smash it into this piping bag. If you've got a fancy nozzle with the little cutouts, use it. I'll explain to you why in a bit. Basically, it creates nice ridges down the side of your churro, which the cinnamon sugar and the icing sugar will stick to. There we are. Okay, so let's get this in here. Poke it down best you can. There we go. You may find that you've got a little bit in the thing. Obviously, you want the mixture to the bottom of the bag. There's excess. So just give it a couple of gentle swings. Be very careful with this, otherwise you'll end up coating your kitchen. Ask me how I know. Now the bag is full. So make sure your oil is at about 190. If it's too high, they're going to instantly crisp. If it's too low, they're going to absorb too much oil. Pipe with one hand, and with a pair of scissors, chop with the other. So pipe into the oil, chop, pipe into the oil. If you've got somebody with you to help, it does make this bit a bit easier, but you can do it on your own. Pipe and chop. Okay, make sure if you can, your churros are not sticking together when they've gone in. You might have to do a little bit, but ideally you get them to not stick much better. If you've got a deep fat fryer, this makes it a lot easier to control the temperature of the oil, which is probably the hardest part of all of this, to be honest with you. About 3 minutes, 3-4 minutes, you want a nice golden brown sort of outer, and they'll still be a little bit chewy in the middle. Hope you're all staying safe, guys. This lockdown's been a nightmare. We're all gagging to get out there, but also we've got to think of people's safety. It is a nightmare, but I'm sure this time next year, hopefully the world will return to a bit of normal. Okay, so the churros, now they're starting to go a little bit golden, so we're going to turn them over. Put them looking like a giant candy cane. That's alright. Yeah, nice colour. Nice golden brown coming on. Okay, so these are about done. Take them out carefully. Be very, very careful with hot oil, guys. I know you all, I'm sure you all know, but very, very dangerous. So take them out one at a time. Don't want anything splashing. So there's one. There is two. Bit of kitchen roll to drain the excess fat. If you haven't got any kitchen roll, don't worry about it. Just use a little bit of toilet roll. Okay, looking lovely. Make sure all your hobs are off. Safety first and all that. So, the churros. Notice the ridges. The piping nozzle has created these lovely little channels, which we are going to fill with cinnamon, ground cinnamon, sugar, and a little bit of extra ice and sugar as well. Okay, so icing sugar. Churros are very versatile. You can have them however you like. I like them on with icing sugar and then a cinnamon and normal sugar roll. So there's one, two, there's three. What we have here is my icing gun, and what we have here is a icing sugar cartridge. Okay, so we shall pop that in there, pop that in there. Icing the churros. Nice. Okay, so a lovely bit of icing on there. Final stage, a little bit of cinnamon sugar, a little bit of cinnamon, sorry, a little bit of normal sugar. Your ratio, double the, twice the sugar to the cinnamon. There we go. Now mix that all up. Beautiful. And then one by one, there we go. Get all that lovely cinnamon sugar into the little grooves that your nozzle has made. There we go. Beautiful. Okay, there's your churros. Now to finish, imagine Nutella next to the frying pan all the while. So your Nutella is now of the right consistency. Look at this. So a little bit of that on there. Oh. We'll try. Oh, they are so good. Well, Operation Churro has been a success. Thanks for joining me, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. No doubt, hopefully we'll be back to the airsoft scene very soon. We'll catch you all there. 01 out.